Did you know that both chia and flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids? But chia seeds actually have about 5 times more fiber than flax seeds. That's a serious boost for your gut health. Chia and flax seeds have become superstars in the health and nutrition world, and for good reason. They're both tiny powerhouses of nutrients, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. In this video, we're going to dive into the health benefits of both chia and flax seeds and help you decide which one might be the better choice for you. We'll compare their nutritional profiles, discuss their potential health benefits, and explore how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Chia seeds are a great place to start. These little seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. They're also an excellent source of fiber, with about 10 grams per ounce. That's roughly 40% of your daily recommended intake. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. In addition to their impressive nutritional profile, chia seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, or mix them into your favorite smoothie. They're also a great addition to baked goods like muffins and cakes. With their mild, nutty flavor, chia seeds are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Flax seeds are another nutritional powerhouse. They're a rich source of lignans, plant-based compounds shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flax seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, although not as much as chia seeds. However, flax seeds have a unique benefit. They contain a type of lignan called sequoisolaric which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Flax seeds have been a staple in many cuisines for centuries, particularly in Europe and Asia. They're often used in baking, particularly in bread and muffins. Flax seeds can also be used as an egg substitute in recipes, making them an excellent option for vegans. With their nutty flavor and crunchy texture, flax seeds are a great addition to many dishes. When it comes to fiber content, both chia and flax seeds are good sources. However, as I mentioned earlier, chia seeds have a significant edge, with about 10 grams of fiber per ounce. Flax seeds contain about 2 grams of fiber per ounce. Fiber is essential for digestive health, as it helps move food through your digestive system and prevents constipation. Fiber also plays a crucial role in weight management, as it helps keep you feeling fuller for longer. This can lead to weight loss and improved overall health. Both chia and flax seeds can help support healthy blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for people with diabetes. Both chia and flax seeds are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve blood lipid profiles, and even lower blood pressure. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Flax seeds also contain ALA, although in smaller amounts than chia seeds. However, flax seeds have a unique benefit. They contain a compound called thromboxane, which helps prevent blood clots from forming. This can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Both chia and flax seeds contain a range of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. These compounds help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Antioxidants are essential for overall health, as they help prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants in chia and flax seeds may also have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm this. Chia seeds contain a type of antioxidant called quercetin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. While both chia and flax seeds are generally considered safe, there are some potential drawbacks to be aware of. Some people may experience digestive issues such as bloating or gas after consuming chia seeds. This is often due to their high fiber content. Flax seeds can also cause digestive issues, particularly if they're not ground properly. Whole flax seeds may pass through your digestive system intact, which means you won't get the full nutritional benefits. It's also worth noting that both chia and flax seeds may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. So how can you incorporate chia and flax seeds into your diet? One easy way is to add them to your breakfast routine. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, or mix flax seeds into your favorite smoothie. You can also use chia and flax seeds as an egg substitute in recipes. Both seeds can be used in baking, particularly in muffins, cakes, and bread. Chia seeds can also be used as a topping for salads or soups, adding a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. Flax seeds can be used as a substitute for breadcrumbs in recipes, adding a nutty flavor and crunchy texture. Key differences include higher fiber content and more omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds than in flax seeds. However, flax seeds have a unique benefit. They contain lignans, which have anti-cancer properties. Ultimately, the choice between chia and flax seeds comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Both seeds can be a great addition to a healthy diet and can provide a range of nutritional benefits. If you're looking for a seed that's high in fiber and omega-3s, chia seeds may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a seed that's rich in lignans and has anti-cancer properties, flax seeds may be the way to go. We'd love to hear from you. Which seed do you prefer, chia or flax? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating habits, be sure to check out our next video on the topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy eating and nutrition.